Did you know that your Mac probably has a flash that you didn't know about? Yes, this has gone up through an software update. How do you use it? First of all, you need to access the camera. To access the camera, you can use applications like FaceTime or Photo Booth. For example, let's go to FaceTime. You can see that FaceTime has now started up. I have put on some effects already, one of which is studio lighting and the other is the portrait light. But you can see that we have another option over here which is called the edge light. What does this do? Let's find out. Click on it and you can see that a light has now appeared on the screen. This light will actually make your face go bright in dark situations, which will make it easier for you to video conference or video call your loved one, whoever it is. To customize this edge light, you can see there is a small arrow over here. Click on it and you can see, and there are two toggles. One is for the brightness. So the lower the brightness, the thinner is this edge lighting. Obviously the lighting is low in that case. And then you can also change the temperature of this light. If you want the sunset glow, you can turn it up to the warmest setting, or if you want it to be the coolest setting, you can turn it up all the way to blue, and that is great. I think this is going to be very helpful for those who want to video conference in the dark for some reason. I'm going to turn it to max. I'm going to turn off the light and you can see that I am still visible. Now the room isn't the darkest, but it still does the job. If I turn up the brightness though, you can see how much of a difference it makes. Versus if I just turn it off, you can see it makes a great difference. So that is all. This is a cool new feature that probably many people didn't know about, and that is why I've made this video. Hopefully you found this very interesting. If you have, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.